Hello crypto warriors, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review your crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright. In this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable time. Now, as you can see the outside interface in my screen now, and the project name is like Metahorse Unity. What is Metahorse Unity? In this video, we are going to see like unleash speed. Obviously, I wanted to tell you that it's built on Metaverse, like you can say that, like it's a Metaverse project, the ultimate RPG horse racing game, where you can earn crypto by playing games. There are applications which will coming soon on App Store and Google Play Store. So here you can see their NFT marketplace, which is already live. Here you can see, and here you can see also their NFTs, which is literally amazing. Like here you can see their price, their royalty, their standard, which is on blockchain Polygon. Like here you can see everything, and max meet you can mint 8 NFTs, and the public mint price you can see everything in their website, which is absolutely amazing. And you will get about the NFT information in their website, like here is the marketplace or mint. So let's see what is actually Metahorse Unity. Like you can own them. Metahorse Unity is a unique gaming experience that belongs, like blends both with free to play and play to earn models. With Metahorse Unity, you have the option to play casually with free horse or level up your gameplay by acquiring NFTs, allowing you to start earning and maximizing your profits. This is the main things. Like here you can see the benefits to using this project. Like here you can see also something in the right section, free to play model. These available NFTs also their balanced economy. Play with friends. Obviously, you can enjoy this game with your friends. Absolutely, it's an amazing features as well as personal opinion. Like skills, balance, and victory. There are valuable NFTs like unlock NFTs power in Metaverse Unity. Like Metaverse Unity is a unique gaming experience that you can see, as I say that, and join the Metaverse Unity community and explore the possibilities of owning valuable NFTs. So obviously, if you have NFTs, so you can earn crypto by playing games on Metahorse Unity. Here you can see the media gallery, like they are gaming interface. You can say that, like here you can see, which is absolutely amazing. Also, there are videos, there are fan art. Also here you can see everything. Literally, it's an amazing art, as I think so. Metahorse classes, like this is the NFT's power. Like the name of this NFT is Cyber. Here you can see the dragon. Here you can see the unicorn. Also there is the warrior. Absolutely, crypto warriors, you should buy warrior NFTs if you wanted to buy a NFT there. Absolutely, here you can see their speed and everything you will get in the website. So obviously you can take it off our website. Their gameplay and features, like level up system you will get in the gameplay systems. Also they have something very unique features like Meta Guild House. Also their PvP and PvP system also their quest features. And here you can see the gacha, like their events, and you can earn by joining their events, and you can obviously get rewards. Like here you can see, this is literally amazing. They have a huge partners, like here you can see, like PlayFab. Also there are something user games and many more where you can see. Absolutely, it's an amazing. Here is the roadmap you can see, and right now we are in Q3 2023. So here you can see the mint date announced, mint platform announcement, NFT utilities, and in the Q4 2023, I think we are right now in QR 2023, like NFT integration, mobile PC games, e-register, mobile games, e-alpha test. Also guys, they have a more of roadmap which is on quarter 2024 Android and PC game launch. Like here you can see the Immunity token launch, second phase NFT sales also. So we can say that they have lots of things coming in the future. So absolutely amazing. We are still now in early. Their team information here you can see like their founder, and you will get the information about the founder, also their LinkedIn and Twitter ID. Here you can see the also this is the I think also this is the also founder, and here is the also another founder, and you will get their team information in the website, which is absolutely amazing. And I can say that they have enough experienced people in their team. So obviously this project is going to the moon as soon as possible after they are launching their NFT mainnet, obviously, and they are doing huge marketing, and the team is very active right now. So where you can see dive into the world of Metahorse Unity, their pre-registered siting, which is right now it's live. So obviously if you wanted to check these games, obviously you can check it out, and you will get their light paper, and you must need to read their light paper, because if you need all information about this project, so you will get all info about this project in the light paper. And at the last moment you will get their Discord like social links. Obviously if you need all information and you wanted to connect with their admin, so you can join their Discord or Telegram community. Now let's read their light paper. So where you can see the Metahorse Unity light paper, which is absolutely amazing, like the table of contents, like here is the NFT utilities with their technology, then a cross-platform horse racing RPG NFT game, and here you can see everything about their NFT like white paper. And they have huge things, guys. If you see, like, you can see the game interview, their mechanism, how it's work, how you can play their games, and many more. Like you will get every information about this project in their light paper, and it's literally huge. Like here you can see, literally it's really huge. Now let's check it out, their X profile. If I wanted to tell you that as an early project, they have enough audience, like 49.7k followers they have in the X. So obviously it's an amazing, and mint on August 31st, which is already, you can say that live, and as you can see, it's already live in their website, like here you can see. So if I want to tell you that they are right now very active, and they are doing contests, like here you can see, so obviously you can participate, and they are doing any NFTs airdrops, so obviously you can join their participatory airdrop to get some free tokens. So now if I discuss about this project like now as an investor, so obviously guys, if you wanted to survive in bear market and you wanted to earning crypto by playing games, obviously you can check this out. They have enough great teams, they are doing well marketing, they are doing very hard working. So obviously when they are launching their tokens, obviously you should use it, as this is not for financial advice, guys, first of all. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram or Discord community. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more to the project. Peace.